If you're looking for a high-end H670 motherboard that has everything you can ask for, then look no further than the MSI Meg H670 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4. The VRMs on this are really strong, packing a 14+1+1 phase VRM configuration, making it perfectly capable of running even an Intel Core i9 13900K without any issue. The cooling on the VRMs is also fantastic since the entire array of VRM steps and capacitors are covered and will report temperatures under 70 degrees even at a maximum load. In terms of looks, it's stealthy and has the signature MSI Tomahawk look. The design is definitely one of the most impressive aspects of this board because even though it is overall just one color, it never looks dull or boring. The board has a distinct sheen that signifies that this board is luxurious. Moving on to the features, I wanted to start off with the rear I/O. For peripherals, the MSI Meg H670 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 comes with 6 USB 2.0 Type A ports and a PS2 port. This is more than enough to use with all of the possible peripherals, and perhaps MSI should have reduced the number of USB 2.0 ports to just 4. Other than that, there is the USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port and an ultra-fast USB 3.2 Gen 2 x 2 Type C port, and I hoped that MSI would have increased at least 1 or 2 more of these. This motherboard also comes with a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, a BIOS flashback button, and an impressive full array of audio jacks. The front I/O is also decent, where we get 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C and 6 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports. The only thing missing from the rear I/O is the CMOS button, which at this price should be a standard. Moving down, we see the shielded PCIe 5.0 x 16 slot with a big gap to fit even the largest 3-slot cards in the market. It also comes with 2 full-sized PCIe 3.0 slots and a PCIe x 1 slot for small add-in cards. The all-black motherboard isn't just for show, as it is made up of a 6-layered PCB, making it excellent for Ram overclocking, so you can comfortably push RAM up to 4800 megatransfers per second. The closest competitor to the MSI Meg H670 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 is the ASRock H670 Steel Legend. It is a decent board that comes a bit cheaper than the MSI, but it is a massive downgrade. The VRMs are really weak for the price at just 9 phases compared to 14 phases of the MSI, and they are not cooled properly at all. It feels more like an afterthought than a proper competitor, and the MSI shows that it is the best premium offering for H670 motherboards. In conclusion, the MSI Meg H670 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 emerges as a formidable high-end H670 motherboard. It is classy, and the powerful 14-phase VRM is ready to take care of even the highest-end CPUs from Intel. It would have been great to see a more balanced rear I/O and PCIe layout, but even with this minor setback, the MSI Meg H670 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 remains an impressive choice for those seeking a high-performance motherboard. To sum up, what I like about this board is the gorgeous design, the BIOS flashback button, and the excellent VRM design for the price. On the downside, there is no CMOS clear button. Our ratings for VRM design are 8 out of 10. Features, 9 out of 10. Aesthetics, 9 out of 10. Value for money, 8.5 out of 10, for an overall rating of 8.5 out of 10.